Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Dunkin gift card onto your Uber account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubereats.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Uber Eats website, where if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials or your Google account in order to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the homepage where you can start making your order. Now, in order to add a Dunkin gift card, click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then click on Wallet. From the Wallet page, tap on Add Payment Method, and now you will see the gift card menu at the second. Go ahead and click on this, and now you can enter the Dunkin gift card code within this section and click on the Apply button, and your gift card code will immediately be applied onto your Uber wallet, and you will now be able to use this through your Uber account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Dunkin gift card onto Uber Eats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.